Hello guys, Charlie Matthews here. It has been so long since I've uploaded a video, but in this video today, I just got the iPhone 7 for my birthday. I'm now 16, so I thought I would get a new phone as a free upgrade from EE. Once again, this is not a paid video. I've not been paid to do this video by EE or Apple. But in this video, guys, obviously this is the first iPhone to have a new and improved, as some say, home button. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your home button, as I just found this setting in the settings tab. So what you're going to do is just go on to settings, scroll down to general, then click on home button. Now here you can choose your click that you would like. So I will let you experiment with these. So 1 is almost like there's no click. 2, you can feel a bit of a click, and 3, you have the click pretty much how it was before. Obviously, you're not going to get it exactly how it felt before, because this is not an actual button, it's just an indent in the bottom of your iPhone 7. So that is how you would change your click on the Apple iPhone 7. I would normally have it as 3 if you want the same feel as you would have on the previous iPhones, but again, you won't be able to get the same feel, and I would go with number 1 if you want to feel like there is no home button. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I just want to express how thankful I am for my YouTube video that I've been keeping a close eye on. If I just navigate to YouTube now and then go on to my video here, that video there is on 438,969 views. Thank you to everyone who has watched that video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please head over to my channel and subscribe. I currently have 765 subscribers, so thank you to all of you who have subscribed, and there will be more videos coming soon, as I am finishing my GCSE soon, so there will be a 13-week period where there will be lots of content. So thank you for watching this video. It is also worth noting that this method will work for the iPhone 7 Plus, as well as the 7, and the iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. It will not work for, unfortunately, for the iPhone X, as the iPhone X does not have a home button. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later, guys.